Learning Spanish is not about talent, it's about habits. Today, I'm going to share with you 10 signs you will learn Spanish. You accept a realistic timeline. People who succeed know that Spanish takes years, not weeks or months. People who quit expect fluency in weeks or months. People who succeed commit to the process. You focus on real basics, not months of the year, days of the week, seasons, colors. The real basics are vowel sounds, consonant sounds, connected speech, the simple present, the simple future, the simple past, present continuous, past continuous. If you master this, you unlock the language. You practice more than you consume. Watching videos is not equal to learning. Successful students listen, repeat, ask questions, create their own sentences. You are comfortable making mistakes. Communication is the most important aspect in the beginning. Little by little, you will correct the little mistakes. So, saying something is much better than saying nothing. You take imperfect action. You don't wait to feel ready because you will never be ready. You speak even when you know that your grammar or your vocabulary or your pronunciation isn't perfect yet. You understand input and output. Some students only listen, others only speak. Successful students do both. Input is listening and reading. Output is speaking and writing. You focus on high-frequency words. About 20% of words equal 80% of the conversations. So, students who focus on the 20% most important words in Spanish progress much faster. You listen to real Spanish. No robotic Spanish forever. Listening to real speed Spanish unlocks your ability to understand. It's challenging, but it must be done. You study how the language works, not just memorizing. You understand things like verb patterns, sentence structure, why something is said in a certain way. You have a system, not random videos. People who succeed follow a structure, and that could be a course, a program, a community. By the way, this is exactly what we practice in my Carlos Spanish school community. We focus on pronunciation. We focus on the basics. You get real feedback. People help one another. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description below and in the comments below. It would be great to have a chart that will help you create hundreds or thousands of sentences in Spanish. That's why I made this video a couple of weeks ago. Go and check it out.